Hello everyone, so today I'm going to teach you on how to recover Gmail account password without any recovery mail and phone numbers. So let's firstly go ahead and search for Google account recovery. You can see the recovery mail, just go there, click on it. It's already verified and it's already used, so in case you have some other ways and your account is not recovered, what you have to do is you'll find something like and enter your mail. You need to enter your mail. Then after entering your mail, which you have to recover, it will ask you to enter your password. Go and enter your password. But you can, right below there's a try a different question. Go and click ahead. After that you continue. Then if it's successful, it will say to change your password and you'll create a stronger password and it will be. Now, in case it does not work, what you have to do is go to your Play Store, right click on the top of your icon, go down to Help and Feedback, click on it, and what you're going to do is contact us. Then you'll write your help, like what you want. For example, you need help for Gmail account recovery. Type in Gmail account recovery, then it will be choose the best description. Then you can choose for your appropriate options. Then you can go next and follow the steps, and hopefully you'll find your account recovered. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you like this video.